For a long time, people attributed the lack of women in STEM fields to innate biological differences between the sexes. However, many experts now agree that other societal factors, such as psychological responses to stereotypes, are turning girls and women away from STEM fields.
Hi, my name is Amelia, and in this video I'm going to discuss some of the psychological phenomena that potentially contribute to the gender gap in STEM fields.
Many of these phenomena result from implicit biases. Implicit biases are attitudes or stereotypes that affect our actions and decisions unconsciously. But how do psychologists study something that we are not conscious of? One way is through implicit association tests. In one study, researchers used the test to examine the STEM equals male stereotype. In this test, participants quickly sort words that belong to the category of male and science into one column, and words that associate with female and liberal arts into another column. Next, the participants categorize into columns of female and science and male and liberal arts. Out of 500,000 people who took the test, 70% were able to categorize the words faster and more accurately when the column paired male with science than when female was paired with science, which reflects a stronger association of science with male over female. These results indicate that the implicit bias of STEM equals male is widespread. Psychologists have hypothesized that these biases lead to several phenomena, the first of which is called stereotype threat. Stereotype threat is when individuals face the risk of confirming negative stereotypes about their social group. For example, a female student taking a math test has the additional cognitive burden of worrying about the stereotype that women are not good at math. When girls are expected not to perform as well as their male counterparts in a STEM activity because of these biases, the pressure of trying to prove that stereotype wrong can negatively affect their performance. The second phenomenon is called identity interference. Identity interference is when pressures or expectations of one identity interfere with the performance of another identity, meaning that people have difficulty reconciling two supposedly conflicting identities. In this case, people usually associate scientists with traits referred to as agentic. Agentic traits include being competitive and ambitious. However, females are often perceived to have more communal traits, including qualities such as helpfulness and kindness. Therefore, if females are surrounded by messages that they should exhibit communal traits, but they perceive that scientists need more agentic traits to succeed, they may be discouraged from pursuing a career in a STEM field. So what can we do about this problem? We can't change societal pressures overnight, but there are some things we can and are doing to increase female involvement in STEM, such as providing female role models for young girls to break down the stereotype that STEM equals male, and having stronger support systems like organizations where women can gain a sense of belonging and inclusion.
Thanks for watching!